Welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So today I'm going to be looking into why some courgettes or zucchinis can taste bitter. So if your courgette does taste bitter, it's because it has an overproduction of something called cucurbitacin, which is a toxin used as a defense mechanism. So although all courgettes do have a small amount of cucurbitacins within them, an overbearing amount of them, which affects the taste, is down to your courgette's DNA. So courgettes aren't self-pollinating, they require a female flower and a male flower, and they have to be pollinated. So the male flower, I'll just get in a little bit closer, the male flower has a green stalk, and it's the pollen from the male flower which will fertilize the female flower. However, there are many plants which grow male and female flowers, and this is the female flower with the ovary sac behind it. So if you are growing other plants in your garden which do have a bitterness to them, for instance, if you're growing ornamental gourds which are very, very bitter, too bitter to eat, and a bee comes and gets the pollen from the male flower of the ornamental gourd and then pollinates your courgette with that, the current courgette that's growing will taste fine because that's the parent, but the seeds from that courgette will have half the DNA of the gourd. So if you then take those seeds and save them for next year, when you plant those seeds and grow them, that plant will have half the DNA of a bitter gourd, and your courgettes will taste bitter. So to save seeds from a courgette, you would need to protect this flower before it's even opened to ensure that you are the only person who is going to pollinate, or the only thing rather, that's going to pollinate that flower. And even after you've pollinated it with another courgette, you will still need to protect it to make sure that nothing else comes in and adds their DNA to it. So when you're buying seeds, or when you're given seeds, or if you're collecting seeds yourself, do ensure that they are bona fide and that they've not been cross-pollinated. Hybrids do have their benefits, undoubtedly, but if you're just looking to save seeds to reinvest in your garden, do be careful and never underestimate the benefits of receiving a seed catalogue, because it can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you again on the Lunch Break Gardener.